Hey folks, I'm making something today that's kind of similar. It's based off of something I saw at one of the restaurants near where I work in the Domain in Austin. The restaurant's called Culinary Dugout. And they had this, it was a new summertime dish, appetizer, and it was a whipped feta and tahini dip. That really intrigued me, but I did not like how they were serving this because it this was served with grilled strawberries, apricot preserves, and a pistachio crunch. And I did not think that that sweet, the preserves and the strawberry would go with the feta cheese and the tahini. So I did some research and I found some other kind of similar restaurants, similar recipes, and this is what I came up with. So take a look and then come back and we'll see how it tastes.
Okay, first off, I want to start by saying use sheep's milk feta. It is so much better. That's cow's milk feta on the left, and it's kind of dry and little hard, whereas the sheep's milk is nice and soft and creamy, and it has a really good flavor. So from now on, I'm using sheep's milk feta. This is so much better. Okay, here I have 8 ounces of that sheep's milk feta. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of tahini. Now, tahini is just a ground, it's a sesame seed paste. It's really good. Get it all in there, come on. And then I'm going to start with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I can add more later if I need to. Then I got 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then I've got 2 minced cloves of garlic. This is going to be pretty garlicky. You can add 1 if you don't want it as garlic. Or add more if you want it more garlic. Okay, let's give this a process of a few grinds to get it all whipped up. Okay, I can tell that's gonna need a little bit more olive oil because it's still kind of tight. So let's add some another tablespoon of olive oil. So that's 2 tablespoons of olive oil in total. Okay, let's get this. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Much better, much better. Okay, let's give it a taste, see if it needs to be adjusted anyways. Looks good. Oh, no, tastes good. Yep, doesn't need anything else. So I'm just gonna put this on a serving plate and garnish it up, and we'll go with that. So I'm just gonna add some Kalamata olives, and then drizzle on some more of that extra virgin olive oil. And then give it a taste test with some fresh pita. And we'll see how we did.
Okay, here's my whipped feta and tahini dip. Now I decided to go more savory, so topped it with olive oil and some Kalamata olives, and I'm using some really good fresh pita from a store nearby where I live. Now you got to remember at the beginning of this, use sheep's milk feta cheese. Let's give this a taste. Let's go grab an olive here. Okay, I need another one. It's probably easier to just use a little serving utensil and put it on there. That is so good. And if you like garlic, you'll love this. If you don't like garlic as much, just use 1 clove. But I wanted to use 2. But this is perfect. That the tahini, you can taste the tahini, that really nice sesame flavor, and then that creamy sheep's milk feta. From now on, that's the only feta that I'm going to get. I in the past I have bought cow's milk feta, because who knew? But definitely the sheep milk feta is so good, and having this with the Kalamata olives and the olive oil instead of apricot preserves and grilled strawberries, this is the way to go. Well, there you have it, folks. Make yourself some. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching.